in 2025, Yutong officially launched our solution, Yutong EV Long Life Tech. Through the upgrades, the hardware and electric vehicle management, Yutong has achieved design 15 years or 1.5 million kilometers to really realize the same life between electric and the whole vehicle. Built on that Yutong EV Long Life Tech, Yutong this time we bring our new generation intercity bus, plus our T-Series, the premium coaches, and our urban bus U-Series. Now, with the support of the Yutong EV Long Life Tech, we delivered new generation intercity electric buses IC12E. It's featured with battery 465 and with maximum range 575 kilometers, and the energy consumption is very low, only 0.67. This model can accommodate 59 passengers with the luggage compartment of 4.5 cubic meters. Central control instruments, together with that the 360 reversing monitors and the air conditioner adjustment, smartphone interconnections, all of these functions could be highly integrated on the 3 screens. For drivers to handle more easily. We do believe with some above mentioned features and values, Yutong new generation IC12E must be your first priority choice. Our premier coach. This model features with the CDC technology, which means continuous damping control technology. Working with air suspension, it can dynamically adjust the damping that when the bus operates on the bumpy road and significantly reduce vibration, and also minimizing the body tilting during corner or lane changes, significantly enhancing the safety and comfort. Let's move to our U-Series, which is our best-selling product and also the mainstream product. This model has a variety of variants, ranging from 10 meters, 12 meters, 30 meters, 50 meters, 80 meters, a lot of variation, and low floor, low entry, even trolley bus, and even double-decker buses. So this model can definitely fulfill your specific needs. Regarding the intelligent connectivity, it's named Link Plus. It has full functions ranging from management, use, maintenance, and repair. In 2 years, we initiate that net zero forest activity. We have already planted over 83,000 trees globally. And in this event, in this activity, over 100 public transport operators join us, participate in the activity. So now, I'd like to advocate all friends here to join us. Let's work together, take tangible actions to commonly to create more greener, more cleaner future. As our slogan says, think eco, move green. Let's do it.